Okay, y'all wanted to see the freeze-dried eggs reconstituted and eaten. So here we go. And let me just tell you, I am not a big fan of eggs in general, which I know is silly because I have a backyard flock, but I do eat scrambled eggs on an occasion. So I'm just measuring out a 1-to-1 ratio on reconstituting these. So equal parts egg powder and equal parts water. I ended up using that whole jar because my husband said he was starving. This was about 7 to 8 eggs total. And we're using beef tallow, shredded cheese, and Cholula because that's how we like our eggs. And don't come at me for my dirty pan. I had just cooked hash browns. So my overall observation is that the eggs reconstituted almost exactly like how they would just if you were to use them raw and fresh. And they cooked up the exact same way too. I probably would never be able to tell a difference. Maybe if I had powdered the eggs in a blender before I stored them, I might be able to tell a difference. But like these, I cannot tell whatsoever. They cooked up beautifully and they tasted, you know, exactly the same. I'm curious to try this in like a baking recipe. I've heard that you can do that as well. We will have stored eggs through the winter from our own flock, and we will go ahead and store some for long-term storage in Mylar bags just for emergencies. So let me know, would you try freeze-dried eggs or have you tried them before, and what other recipes should I use them in? Okay, bye.